Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which will help us to customize the date and time, but actually they are inactive. So first of all we have to turn off the network provided time and time zone, and now let's tap on date. As you can see, right now from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use, so let me randomly pick this one, for example, tap on OK. The same situation with the time. From the clock, pick the time you would like to use, tap on OK. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. And the same situation with the time zone, just tap on the region, and here you will be transferred to the full list of all available regions from which you can choose. So basically just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here in this last section you can pick the time format, so you can use local default if you want to, but you can also let's say manually decide what kind of clock format you want to use. So currently we are using 24-hour format. After tapping on the switcher we will turn into the 12-hour format, so it's of course up to you. And basically this is the whole customization of date and time. Of course you can get back to all previous settings, just tap on this switcher here and the network provided time and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.